Hey, let me get your attention here for a few minutes and grab your double sticks. I want you to stop what you're doing and I want you to do this drill with me right now. Once you get this drill down for today, what I want you to do next, if you haven't done so yet, is click the join button right below this video and become a member to the College Center channel here on YouTube. Because this is one variation of this drill and I'm gonna give our members another 2 variations of this drill. So if you wanna catch additional training plus hundreds of more videos that are here on the channel that are only available to our members on our channel, make sure to join now. It's just $1.99, my friends, and it helps me out, it helps the channel out, and keep these videos going for you. All right, you got your double sticks. If you do not have 2 rattan sticks, then make sure that you grab 2 very sharp, razor sharp swords. Just kidding, do not train these drills with actual real live blades. You can use a training bolo that won't cut you. It's dull or plastic or wood. Make sure that you are training responsibly, all right, my friends? All jokes aside. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the drill. Let's kick right on into it. So you might know the Heaven 6, right? I've done a lot of tutorial videos on this. Okay, I'll put a link in the description below. That way, if you do not know the Heaven 6, make sure you go check that out. All right, if you want to challenge yourself and just jump straight to this one, that's totally cool too. You could always go back and work that one. If you do know the Heaven 6, then you're a step ahead. So let's go and start off right here in our chamber position. This is the 8 count, Heaven 8 count. We're gonna do basically everything the same. We're gonna strike 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 3 right here. Now the difference is this left hand is gonna go into what's called a reverse 2 strike right there. Ooh, did you see that? You bet you didn't see that one coming. All right, so from here, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And then we just repeat everything on that left chamber position. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. That's what makes it the 8 count, right? 4 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. A little bit of a note I want you guys to pay attention to, because when you're using 2 longer weapons, right? The rattan is the training tool for the live blade. And today we have the luxury of having training bolos that help us get a little bit more of that feel, that real feel, as if we were doing this with blades. So I want you guys to pay attention to a quick little detail right here. Okay, when you're striking this through, 1, 2, 3, okay, right here, make sure that you don't cut this thing short like this and then you end up running your tricep on your blade right there. You have to make sure that you're striking this, you know, right through what we call the bridge of our eyes, bridge of our nose, and you got to stay on that line. Make sure that you don't chamber this too high either. This shouldn't be up in the armpit. It should be down here by the hip. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you have that clearance. Okay, if I was to put my arm in there, we don't want to be more than closer than elbow and hand distance with those weapons. Okay, we got to keep that distance. Whoa. So as we're striking this through, we've got to make sure that we do not go closer than hand elbow distance between our weapons. If we start going closer than that, you're gonna get tangled up. All right, so 1, 2, 3, right there, down by the hip, and then there's that reverse 2. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and there's that reverse number 2. Again, don't chamber it way up here in the armpit. That is not going to be helping you out. If you go 1, 2, 3 and chamber it out here, this isn't gonna work out for you too well. Okay, you're not gonna get that transference of skill to the blade. Okay, little detail there. I know, I'm circling around it a little bit because it's really, really important. I don't want you to cut your own arm off or anything like that, if you do decide to do the thing that I told you not to do at the beginning of this video. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right there. Let's get a couple in together nice and slow. All right, nice and slow. Let's do like 3 reps in together. Okay, I get some comments from you guys down in the comment section that you guys like it when I turn around like this with my back facing to you, because it's like you're in class with me and then you can follow the exact movements with me. So I'll definitely keep that going. And if you like that, and if you haven't let me know before, make sure to leave that in the comments. Let me know that I'm doing a good job for you. All right, so from here, let's get 3 heaven 8s in together. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice and slow, just like that. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Make sure that you're starting nice and slow with this one, okay? Start slow. When you start slow in the beginning, you're gonna learn faster, okay? Mark my words, trust me on that one. And then you can gradually pick up the speed, my friend, okay? Don't be in a hurry. If you're not in a hurry, I guarantee you're gonna get faster, a lot faster. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, it's easy. Here, I'll even wait like 2 seconds for you. All right, hopefully you did that for me real quick. If you want to catch the other variations of today's lesson, make sure to hit the join button right below this video and become a channel member. It's just $1.99. That's all it is. That's all I'm asking for. And you'll also get access to hundreds of other videos that I've made exclusive to our members from past videos, and I'm adding videos every single week, new training videos for 2022 over in our members area. If you want to continue your training, you want to dive really deep and go esoteric in your training, make sure to head over to collegecenter.com and go check out our online school, and make sure to stop by our gear shop over there and go grab yourself a pair or 2 of sticks if you need some rattan sticks. It's always a good idea to be training with the traditional training gear, and we got good high quality sticks that you're going to be happy with. Plus we got some really cool other gear that's over there, like our gear bags, best gear bags in the world, and a lot of other really cool gear stuff coming very soon. You might have seen some teasers on it with some of our training bolo prototypes. So head on over to our store, access everything at collegecenter.com, get outside, go train, go make nature your Collie dojo, and I'll see you guys next time.